अच्छा वो बाइक लुट रही है
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Nature's Fury Chronicles. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. In the coastal region of China, a powerful storm caused extensive damage, while in Argentina, a massive landslide narrowly missed a group of hikers. In northern China, a tornado kept everyone on edge, and in Yellowstone National Park, catastrophic floods resulted in a house floating downstream, among other shocking natural disasters. For those planning a hike in central Argentina, the Aconcagua Provincial Park in Mendoza Province offers breathtaking mountain scenery. However, visitors must be cautious of unexpected landslides. On a fateful day in January 2016, a group of hikers in Argentina's Aconcagua Provincial Park found themselves in a perilous situation. As they were crossing a stream, their guide detected an ominous sound, similar to an airplane passing overhead. Recognizing the telltale sign of impending rock slides and avalanches, the guide swiftly instructed everyone to flee to safety. A heavy rainfall during the summer in Nanping, China led to extensive flooding, causing a steel bridge to collapse under the pressure of debris. This unfortunate event was just one of the bridge failures that occurred on that day. Mount Stromboli, an active volcano in Italy, is famous for its nighttime eruptions that attract tourists from around the world. However, in August 2019, the volcano had an unusually violent eruptive episode, raising concerns among volcanologists due to the proximity of two nearby villages. Kagen, a town in central Java, Indonesia, is known for its tropical climate and susceptibility to heavy rainstorms and powerful winds. In November 2022, a security guard named Bang Royce found himself caught in a sudden and intense storm, causing damage to homes and offices in the area. Silent Hot, a small city in Inner Mongolia, China, experienced a massive tornado in June 2020. While the tornado caused minimal damage, its unique appearance, resembling a ghostly wispy tail, fascinated onlookers. In August 2017, Typhoon Hado struck mainland China, particularly Zhuhai, with strong winds and heavy rainfall. The storm caused extensive damage, including power outages and flooded streets, leaving a lasting impact on the affected regions.